We're excited to be back with our first post-COVID trip. Before we kick things off, join our Stamp Chasers family, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell. After clearing customs, we located STP Carib, our private transfer company. We went with the luxury stretch limo private transfer. They offered cool hand towels, some waters, and beers upon arrival. Approximately 15 minutes from Cancun International Airport and 15 miles away from South Cancun, Secrets Riviera Cancun is situated between the breathtaking Caribbean Sea and the lagoon of Bahia Potempic in the Yucatan Peninsula. Guests staying at Secrets have free-flow access to their sister property, Breathless Riviera Cancun Resort and Spa next door. Again, this is the entrance to both resorts. We've gotten our security clearance, so we're going to proceed. I must say this was one of the hottest times I can recall traveling to Mexico. Typically, we travel during the spring or fall months. The average temperature while we were there in August was 90 degrees during the day and 77 degrees in the evenings. Upon arrival, we were ushered to the preferred club check-in, grabbed lunch at Rosewater, the restaurant on Secret side that serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Then we made reservations at Silk City, the only restaurant that requires a reservation. They have the Asian cuisine. Another view of the lobby. On the Secret side, there are 164 guest rooms in 3 buildings that include exclusive preferred club benefits such as 24-hour room service, personalized destination concierge, top shelf spirits, pool, and beach wait service. Room tour of room 3312, a preferred club junior suite Oceanview. The Secrets box for your 24-hour in-room dining service. Just place your dirty dishes here when you're done. This tag here indicates the clean, complete verification for the COVID-19 resort protocol. Additional glassware, miniature bottles of alcohol, and Secrets popular in-room snacks, the M&Ms and Pringles. A daily refreshed minibar with cervezas, waters, and juices. The in-room martini bar with complimentary vodka martini glasses and a shaker. The Nespresso coffee machine. Okay, let's take a look at the wardrobe space. We have the iron and ironing board, luggage rack, extra pillows, hangers, electronic safe, the digital scale, and our slippers. There are bathrobes. We'll see those shortly. We're just going to spin around and take a look at the water closet next. Behind the frosted glass. Okay, here's a peek, and there's the standard commode. In the main bath area, the double sinks. Under the sinks, the lower shelves house towels and the hairdryer. Secrets preferred bath amenities. Just in case you forgot to pack, here's a toothbrush, razor, shower caps, hand sanitizer. Also the shower gel, lotion, and conditioners. And one of my faves, the incense. You can't miss the large walk-in shower. There are handheld and rainfall shower heads. As part of the COVID-19 protocol, the remote has been placed in this bag to show that it has been sanitized. There's the channel guide and pillow menu. Also the contemporary light settings options. This feature is better seen at night, which sets the vibe and the mood of the room. The flat screen cable TV. There's complimentary wireless internet access. In-room tablet. Here are the Secrets bathrobes on the bed. They are available for purchase. At the time of this video, the cost was approximately $70. The direct dial telephone, additional seating available as well. We're going to step outside. The balcony is furnished with 2 chairs and a round outdoor table. Here's the Whirlpool Tub and our view. If you made it this far into the video, thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already for more Stamp Chaser content. And hit that notification bell and be notified once we post the follow-up video of the sister property, Breathless Riviera Cancun, and our next series of all-inclusive family resorts in Jamaica. Hasta luego, Stamp Chasers.